Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a PDF file with a digital signature on your iPhone. First, locate and open your PDF document within the Files app. Once the document is open, tap the markup icon, which resembles a pen tip, usually found in the top right corner. Next, select the plus sign icon from the markup toolbar to reveal additional options. After tapping the plus sign, you will see an option to Add Signature. Select this to begin creating your unique digital signature. You can use your finger or an Apple Pencil to draw your signature directly on the screen. Take your time to make it look just right. Once you are satisfied with your signature, tap Done in the top right corner to save it for future use. Once saved, your digital signature will automatically appear on your PDF document. You can easily move it by dragging it with your finger to the exact spot where you want it placed. To adjust the size, simply use the blue dots located at each corner of the signature box. Drag these dots inward or outward to make your signature larger or smaller, ensuring it fits perfectly. After you have positioned and sized your signature to your liking, tap the Done button, typically found in the top left corner of your screen. This action will finalize the signing process. You will then be prompted to choose a location to save your newly signed PDF file. Select your preferred folder, and your document, now bearing your digital signature, is ready to be shared or stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.